Hello, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, press the button now. Go on, I'll wait. Okay, so today I wanted to do just a fast and easy video about another exercise you can do to help to improve your language learning. Now, this is relatively straightforward, and you might not like it, but if you do, it's great. Now, I like to cook. I used to work in a restaurant as a cook, and I like to cook. So anyway, when I was learning languages, Italian particularly, I subscribed to a whole load of YouTube channels, cooking channels on YouTube, and there's a number of people that I still watch today, and they do some amazing recipes and just some great stuff. One of the on my channel, I've like how to make beer from breakfast cereal. Well, I watched that, the original, on a YouTube channel by an Italian fella who showed you how to do it, and I've made my own sort of pepperoni and sort of just chartreuse meats, and made my own cheese and wine and beer and all of this stuff just by watching various YouTube channels in French or Italian. And I still, to this day, watch a lady in Mandarin who does cooking, just a variety of Chinese food and things like that. So these sort of things are interesting if you like cooking. But what can be really interesting is the way that it stretches and improves your language skills. And you start to learn things like they're telling you the ingredients. So you start to learn things like, the word for salt and for pepper and for paprika, and what do they call, garlic mince in Italian, and, all this sort of stuff that you probably wouldn't learn in a textbook, but will certainly be useful to you when you go to a restaurant and you want to order something and you look at the ingredients to see what's in this thing. It's onion and bell pepper and blah 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 blah. So it's very useful when you're actually in the country where you're using the language, but it's also useful just if you like to cook. So this is just a quick easy tip. I hope you like this sort of thing. If you do, please like and subscribe and press the bell and all that stuff. But of course, you subscribed at the beginning, right? So you don't need to do that now. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye.